Hey guys, it's Zach, the creator of Beauty and the Fit, and we are doing sexy back, arms, and shoulders bar workout. All you need are light dumbbells. If you don't have dumbbells, you can grab whatever heavy objects you have around the house. I'm only using 2 pounds, so I recommend anything between 2 to 5 pounds because you're gonna feel the burn. It's called sexy back and arms and shoulder workouts because we are doing it to the song Sexy Back by good old JT, old school Justin Timberlake. Such a good song. Give this video a thumbs up. If you're new here, click that subscribe button and let's work out right now. Grab those dumbbells, let's get started. So standing feet hip width distance, we'll have our elbows right by our shoulders. We lift and lower, and lift and lower. So the elbows go up and down. Pull the shoulder blades back, exhale, inhale, lift and lower. Good, so up and down. Feel that squeeze of the arms as you take it all the way up and down. Tiny pulse down, elbows down. Pulse, pulse. I'm gonna bring you sexy back with this arm workout. So focus on emphasizing going down. 4, 3, double time it here. Down, 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 down. Squeeze, squeeze. Already feeling some heat happening in that upper body. Finish it off. 4, 3, 2, palms down, palms down, palms up, palms down, palms up. Now take a look at your elbows. Can they be shoulder height and distance? And lift. Oh my gosh, I feel a burn, I feel a burn. Double time right, left, right, left. 1 and 2 and. Good. Palm down. Feel the burn. 8, 6, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh my gosh. Bring elbows by your side. Out to the side. Reach and lower. Top of the corners of the room. Take it up and down. Both arms, same tempo. Lift and lower. Take it up and down. Focus on reaching to the sky. Relax your ears from your neck and shoulders. Up and down. Ready? Double time, right, left. And reach. Right, left. Up, down, Big exhales. 8, 7, 6, 4, both arms, tiny little lift, so it's just up and down, Make the letter W, lift, lower, lift, lower. 4, 3, 2, 1, good, weights in front, okay? Under, over, 1 and 2. So one hand goes on top and underneath. Focus on the breath. 4, 3, 2, 1. Arms open, close. Open, close. Out, in. I'm really starting to feel the burn in my upper body. That's what you want. Challenge yourself to get to that feeling. Singles, right, left. Focusing on the back, big exhale. 8, 6, 4, 3, 2, 1. Circle forward. Elbows up. I know. The burn is real. Palms up, guys. 8, 7. All right, reverse direction. You're so close, guys. You're so close to being done. Finish strong for me. 8, 6, 4, 3, 2. Hold it here. Hold. Up an inch. Down an inch. I know. Up an inch. And down. And up. And down. This is it. 4, 3, 2, 1, and done. Oh Oh my God. Do you feel that burn? Are your arms? How's your back? Do you have a sexy back now? Yes, you do. That was a killer workout, guys. Thank you for working out with me. If you like this workout, please be sure to give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment what you want me to see me do next, whether new songs. And I hope you download my free workout calendar. Go to freeworkoutcalendar.com and leave me a comment, guys. I love hearing you. What you have to say, even if it's about random things. I love reading comments. It's one of my favorite things. See you next time. Bye.
This is what we waited for. No looking back.